Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Crown TV is set to accept a screen stream. Many models use Miracast or a built-in Chromecast receiver, so check the TV label. Once done, make sure your phone or laptop and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, too. 4 GHz often gives more stable initial connections. Now, on the TV open settings, find screen mirroring or cast receiver and turn it on. This primes the TV to receive your device. Now, on your device, open the cast or screen mirroring control. On phones, swipe quick settings. On Windows, press Win+K or use project options and scan for devices. You'll see your Crown TV listed. Tap it. You may get a pairing prompt on the TV. Accept it to establish a secure link. If you are on a laptop, choose to extend or duplicate the display depending on why you're mirroring. Once the stream starts, you'll see the device video on the TV. Finish by setting the TV input to the mirroring receiver and adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 or the TV's native mode so the image fills the screen. If you notice lag or stutter, reduce the streaming quality in the app, move the router closer, or switch to 5 GHz for higher throughput. If the Crown TV doesn't appear, restart both devices, toggle Wi-Fi, and re-enable receiver mode on the TV. This simple reset fixes most connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.